It's really heating up in Austin, Texas, and this summer, we'll be wrapping things up at the O. Henry Museum. All the little things that need to be done will be completed so that we can all see the final package. But guess what? We're still getting a sneak peek. Let's head in. The devil is in the details. Decisions are being made about taking care of the beautiful wooden trim in the house. It's got to be protected just like all the other parts of the O. Henry, and this is done very carefully to avoid contact with the wallpaper. If you are a woodwork fan, these are details you don't want to miss. Speaking of walls, there are portions of the house that show the history behind the wallpaper. This is an old house, and a few areas will be left behind for guests to look back in time and see the bones of the house. Putting wallpaper over bare wood planks required a paper hanger's canvas, which can still be viewed at the O. Henry. A lightweight but strong cotton material was tacked to the wall and covered with heavy paper. This would form the canvas. Final touch-ups for the rest of the reproduction wallpaper will come after the O. Henry is ready to open. More about that later. That's it for today, but check back soon for a sneak peek at what's happening on the outside.
I'm Rebecca Tasker.
And I'm Wendi Laws.
We'll catch you guys next time on Renovation Revelations.